Hello everyone! We're going to teach you 3 easy recipes that you can make this fall.
First recipe is going to be a tuna dip with cream cheese and pumpkin puree.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's start.
So first step, you just have to mix the tuna, the cream cheese and the pumpkin puree into one bowl with a little bit of salt and pepper.
Okay. So for our second recipe,
it's called chestnut paste. For our last recipe,
we're going to make an omelette with the different varieties of vegetables.
We hope you can try these easy recipes at home. I am Theodilyn Baysa, EBC correspondent from Switzerland, and we live in interesting times.
We hope you enjoyed that video. If you found it valuable, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. If you're on Instagram, please follow us at EBC Digital Nest. If you're on Facebook, please pay our page a visit and like it. Here at Digital Nest, we continue to make healthy connections with those who desire to grow and with those who aspire to be inspired. We'll see you next time.